myself, and now let's pursue our C9 friends. They gather the trainers to one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American C9 here. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, that's my voice. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Kelly, say hi!
Hi!
While on the other side is one of the oldest female South American C9 years. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. So, don't be shy, girl.
Tingnan mo yun, oh! Kaya siya.
Say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea what it goes in for going on? Any idea? Do they have letters? Come on, that's not good. Hey, but do you have letters? And the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? That are pretty bad, can also be translated as wing-footed. Since their flippers, they look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying in the water as they swim from place to place right ice. And you know, they're often taking the suits because they look very much alike, but some deep and sensitive. And the lines that come
Jam! Hi!
these are
Alright!
something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on them. And that's my fine demonstration of upper course once they're in free. And you know what? They also have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out.
Manood ka dyan!
Oh, that's very easy. How about a round of applause for C9 friends? As you can see, their backs covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers have the Zion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, I smell decent. Hey! They also use the whiskers to identification or to the sense
Huwag ka matutulog manood ka!
small thermometers give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Signals like many marine mammals can see
Bawal matulog, tingnan mo sila, oh!
their inmates like bugs, not colorless.
Ayaw niya, hayaan mo siya!
So why then coming to one of those to shores?
Ayun na, oh!
Their preference
Oh!
their excellent farming abilities that can easily scale.
Wow!
And now let's talk about their swimming abilities that are started in some point. Sea lions can represent 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their mouth flippers.
Sila pa baba?
Their mouth flipper starts to run and shock behind their bodies, functioning as the rudders of sea. And that their hormones will not they take so much movement. I've been taking their players, escaping from letters in chief versus up to Alexandra, 25 miles per hour! And I'm sure the air has to live. Have a round of applause for Sandra, the sexy yes! Great job, Sandra, that was so fast. Come on, back to your seat. Now, here's an story about our C9s. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained
Ano yan, Jam-Jam? Ano yan? Sea lion.
Yes, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're able to recognize and avoid